Hello everyone and welcome to the second course in our Excel Visual Basic for Applications series. In this lecture we are doing an overview of all of the topics you will learn about in this project-based course. First off, you will learn about Visual Basic loops. You'll learn how to build all different kinds of loops and together build a project of a commission table using a loop. Loops allow you to automate tasks and they are extremely important for that reason. They're very powerful as well. Following that, we are going to build projects together using loops like building patterns, sorting data, and much more. And then we're going to look at strings, another data type in Visual Basic. And we're going to learn how to manipulate strings, like how to split strings, extract strings, reverse them, and much more. We're going to build programs together. Following that, we'll learn how to build custom functions. That's right, although Excel has its own built-in functions, many of them, you can actually build your own and use them exactly as you would use Excel's built-in pre-made functions. We're going to learn how we can make our own functions and use them, and together we're going to build a custom calculator project. Following that, we're going to learn how to build arrays. Arrays are a fundamental data structure of any programming language, and we're going to learn how to build all types of arrays, how to split strings into an arrays and join arrays into strings, and much more. Arrays really open up the power of programming because they allow you to store multiple values with one single variable, making them extremely accessible. Coming up, we're going to learn about working with dates, times, and much more. We're going to learn how we can access years, months, and even days and times down to the second. As well, we're going to learn about the application object in Excel, which allows you to access a whole range of Excel functions, as well as to schedule procedures to occur at a specific time, like remind you of your 9 a.m. meeting, and much more. After that, we're going to build a whole range of projects together. We are going to apply all of the knowledge that we've gained throughout all of these sections in order to build projects together. It's going to be a whole section on projects, like we're going to together loop through different worksheets to combine them, as well as build a table and a table of contents as well. Very fun projects in section 8. And finally, we're going to learn how to program charts in our final section. You can build charts manually or you can program them, which is a lot faster. So that's what we're going to learn in section 9. This entire course is dedicated to building projects that allow you to automate Excel. Very exciting and powerful tools that will really help boost your skill set. Let's get started with our first lecture coming up.